Hi, I'm Darren Mohabir with Speco Technologies, and today I'm going to talk about how to wire up a digital deterrent kit. We're going to start off with our DD-AK2, which includes an amplifier and a horn speaker with a built-in strobe light. We're going to also take the included cable. We're going to start off with the RCA connector, and we're going to plug it into the line output of your NVR. We'll next take the 1/4 inch output jack and plug it into the auxiliary input. Now we're ready to connect the speaker wire. First we'll take the positive wire and tie that into the 8 ohm terminal. Then we'll take our negative wire and tie that into our common terminal. Now we're ready to turn on the amplifier.
Warning, you have entered a restricted area. Video surveillance is in use.
For more information on setup, please visit us at www.specotech.com.